Hi, this is Nick George with Cloud's Diamond Sharpening. Just going to show you a little video on why your cattle blades rattle or wobble back and forth. Let's go to the table here. I got some examples. Alright, we got a blade here. The cutter rattles back and forth, and that's not good because it's going to leave different patterns, of course. So you go to the clipper here. The first thing you look at is these pins. If they're wore out, the comb blade will rattle, which it doesn't at all, but still the cutter's rattling. So we look at it a little closer and we make sure this is good because that'll leave lines if this is broken. But look at the head here, these little walls are missing, and that usually happens from not oiling the blade or getting it sharpened, would be my guess, or running it too hot. Because like if you don't sharpen it, then it's going to get hotter faster and it won't glide as easy. So it could wear the plastic out, but the newer heads have metal inserts which are better. But this will need to be repaired. So then we go to our other example here, and it's a star clipper, and look at the peg and pins, they're bad. These can be replaced. I look at this, these are good. You want to look at the guide on the cutter blade. Make sure it's not like melted in here or melted right here, because these can be replaced too. But yeah, so basically the only time these ever need to get serviced, if you take care of your equipment, is in the motor, just to clean out the carbon and examine the head. The heads are the biggest problem. But thank you. Okay, they're all cleaned up and repaired. He didn't want to replace this head, which is not too bad, so we'll just let it go for now. And repaired this one, shortened the cord. We'll plug it in and see if it works here in a second. I tighten them all the way down and then I back them off about 4 turns, because that's just how my sharpening works. Most sharpeners do 2 turns. It just depends on how hard they push on their wheel or what shape it has. So we'll go 1 whole turn, 2, 3, 4. We could probably go 5, but we don't need to. Luckily that worked, or it would have been very embarrassing in my video. One, 2, 3, 4. Air blows out of the front of these to keep the blade cooler. That's what this seal does around here, so it's good to put that back in. Clean this out so it can breathe and blow air across it. It blows the hair away from the blade and keeps the blade cool. Thank you for this wonderful adventure. This is a Lister Star Stablemate. They don't make them anymore. I think the next best version is the Legend, the Blue Legend. This is the Lister Star Wahl clipper, cattle clipper. Yay, they both work. I did my job. See you later. Keep them coming on in. Please click subscribe if you like my videos and want to see more, or a like button. Thank you. One last thing, there's an oil spot here. Please oil it. It helps the clipper move, and getting your blade sharpened regularly will make that not work as hard, make the motor work easier. I mean, you're just gonna have a long-lasting clipper, and they don't make these anymore, so take care of them. I can still repair most of them, just can't get the armatures or the PC board, but usually I can repair it or change the reset, whatever, shorten the cord. But yeah, so keep your blades oiled, keep them looking good, keep them sharp, keep them coming on in. See you later.